Hello, I'm Dr. Deborah Sword. Becoming conflict competent is a process of learning and reflection and learning some more. I hear from people that they take conflict related courses and something they try doesn't get them the outcome they want. They've seen my conflict processes work, so they wonder why it doesn't work for them. Stay with me for 2 minutes and see where I'm going with this. Imagine you're a loaf of bread, almost ready to bake. Making bread has a last step before it goes in the oven, and that last step is called proof or proving the dough. That's when the dough rests before baking while the ingredients interact within the dough and produce a reaction that leavens the dough, making it rise. Now, imagine you've mixed together the ingredients of your conflict competency skills, but you need proofing to reflect on your learning. Your skills behave like a reaction that leavens you, allowing you to rise to new conflict challenges. For example, one of the leavening agents is risk taking. Risk is proving in conflict. It's the courage to reach out to someone who offended or hurt you, or being brave enough to apologize to someone you offended or hurt. You risk rejection, embarrassment, or forgiveness, and you give up taking revenge or humiliating someone. When you take a risk, you try what won't work yet. Maybe next time it will. Taking a risk in conflict is like rising proves bread dough. When someone or something challenges you, think of it as a leavening agent. Reflect on it, learn from it, take risks with the emotions that have been hurt. Next time, it might get you the result you want. So, what leavening agents are you learning from? Leave it in the comments section. Thank you for listening, and I hope you subscribe to our podcast.